Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to make caulking compound. Now, you don't actually make a caulking compound. They already have it made for you in these tubes. If you try to make it, you're going to end up with a big mess. A lot of times, people try to take toothpaste and actually put it on like the nail holes in rental apartments. Problem with this is, as soon as it dries, you can see those holes right away. One thing about the caulking is it's relatively inexpensive, and by going out and buying the caulking, you can get it for your exact need without having to try to cobble something together. The right tool for the right job. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. We just discussed how to make caulking compound. Thanks for watching and good luck with this project.